Since 1993, Manali Public School has been shaping young minds with excellence. Celebrating over 30 years of learning, growth, and success, we continue to build a brighter future for our students.
We began the year by welcoming our nursery students to their first day of school. Their bright smiles and excitement filled the classrooms, marking the start of their beautiful learning journey.
On Earth Day, our students took an active step towards sustainability with a cleanliness drive in village soil, in collaboration with Healing Himalayas. A poster-making competition also encouraged our young minds to express their love for nature.
An unforgettable adventure. The Bees Kund Trek was a journey of teamwork, resilience, and life skills, as our students explored the source of the mighty river Bees on this thrilling 3-day expedition. A moment of pride for MPSJ. Karmanya, our board topper, was awarded the prestigious Swami Vivekananda Utkrisht Chhatravriti Yojana, securing a place among the top 1,500 students in the state. His dedication and hard work inspire us all.
Spreading kindness. Our students came together to raise 36,000 rupees in support of cancer patients, proving that empathy and community spirit can truly make a difference.
Caring for our planet, our young students embraced sustainability by planting greenery at school using creative recycled pots made from bottles, cups, and other materials.
A deep dive into nature. Our students visited Van Vigyan Kendra and the Field Research Center, where they learned about medicinal plants and rediscovered the spirit of the Chipko movement.
Mock drill. Preparedness is key. A fire safety and natural disaster mock drill was conducted to equip students with essential life-saving skills, ensuring their safety and readiness in emergencies.
Pet Connect. Furry friends bring joy. Students learned about dog behavior and enjoyed a heartwarming session with the lovely rescues of Manali strays, fostering compassion for animals.
Class 4 contribution, a special recognition for Class 4. They raised the highest funds in our cancer fundraiser, showing incredible compassion and dedication. Well done, young changemakers.
The Other Side of Paradise, lights, camera, action. Our students participated in filming The Other Side of Paradise, a documentary by Nikhil Kamath and his team, showcasing the beauty and challenges of our region.
Honoring patriotism, our students received a prestigious trophy from SDM Manali, Mr. Raman Sharma ji, and DSP Mr. KD Sharma ji for their inspiring dance performance on Independence Day. Creativity at its best, students participated in the Rakhi making competition, crafting beautiful, vibrant designs and celebrating the bond of love and tradition.
Teachers' Day celebration, a day of gratitude. Teachers' Day was filled with vibrant performances, heartfelt speeches, and exciting games organized by our senior students, making it a memorable celebration for our educators.
Robotics workshop, innovation in action. Students explored robotics by designing a mobile phone-controlled car, gaining hands-on experience in wiring and coding, an exciting introduction to technology.
Showcasing talent. Our students participated in HPCSC at GSSS Manali, where their innovative models captivated the audience. With further improvements, they are gearing up for future competitions.
A peek into postal history. Our students engaged with the postmaster, learned about India's postal system, and explored the fascinating world of stamps on their educational visit.
Annual function or Children's Day celebration, a grand celebration. The annual function and Children's Day were filled with vibrant performances, awards, and joyful moments, bringing together students, parents, and teachers to celebrate success and creativity.
Protecting our planet. On World Soil Day, students participated in a declamation competition, spreading awareness about soil conservation and its importance for a sustainable future.
Mathematics Day celebration, Math Made Fun. Students showcased creative mathematical models and participated in interactive activities, solving puzzles and challenges that enhanced their logical thinking.
Himachal Statehood Day celebration, honoring our heritage. MPSJ celebrated Himachal Statehood Day with cultural dances, melodious songs, and an inspiring speech by our Vice Principal Ma'am, making it a joyous and memorable event.
Exam Stress Management Workshop, guidance from an expert. Dr. Jaya Sagar, an esteemed MPSJ alumna and postdoctoral researcher in quantum engineering at the University of Bristol, conducted a workshop to help students manage exam stress with effective techniques for focus and confidence. As we look back on this incredible year, we celebrate our students' achievements, growth, and unforgettable moments. Thank you to our MPSJ family, students, teachers, and parents for making this year truly special. Here's to another year of learning, success, and new adventures.